forest where woodworkers work every day is a vivid and challenging picture, where people and machines work together to conquer majestic nature. This is not only a story about mechanical strength, but also a testament to the perseverance, will, and talent of people working in forestry. The vast forest stretches with tall, ancient trees, with trunks so big that two people can hug them. The intertwined foliage creates a natural dome, covering the ground with tangled tree roots and a thick layer of dry leaves. The sounds of birds singing, the sound of flowing water mixed with the sounds of working machines create a unique symphony between humans and nature. Although beautiful, this forest is also challenging. The terrain here is rugged, with steep slopes, jagged rocks, and unpredictable deep mud puddles. During the rainy season, the transportation road becomes muddy and slippery, increasing the difficulty of the woodworkers' work. Every morning, woodworkers gather at the worksite, preparing giant machines to start work. The cutters, harvesters, are controlled by skilled hands. The robot arm quickly hugs the tree trunk, and the chainsaw cuts neatly in just a few seconds. Ancient trees tens of meters high slowly fell, creating sounds that echoed throughout the forest. This job not only requires precision, but also requires experience and acumen of the operator to ensure absolute safety. Transporting wood in difficult terrain, track vehicles, forwarders, roar through rough terrain, wading through mud, or climbing steep hills to collect pre-cut logs. The crawler system helps the vehicle stick firmly to the ground, avoiding sinking or slipping when moving through soft ground or full of obstacles. Each truck loaded with wood is a big challenge. The driver must concentrate highly and use skillful control skills to ensure the vehicle does not tip over when carrying a heavy load on narrow and steep roads. Making transportation even more difficult. Woodworkers have to face the risk of trees falling unexpectedly, machinery malfunctioning, or accidents during operation. Even with support from modern machinery, the work still requires great strength and strong will. Working days last from early morning to late evening. The headlights from the machines are the only thing that illuminates the way back when darkness covers the forest. Not only operate machines, but also become their companions. They clearly understand every sound of the engine and know how to handle but is also an important part of the global wood supply chain. Logs transported out of the forest become raw materials for the construction, furniture, and paper industries. Despite their hard work, woodworkers and machines not only bring economic value, but also contribute to sustainable development if managed properly. They often comply with responsible logging regulations, such as replanting trees after logging or protecting forest areas that need conservation. Still symbolizes the perfect coordination between people and technology and emphasizes the value of hard work in building and maintaining modern life. Timber lift trucks and forest transport machinery are technically advanced equipment specifically designed to cope with the harsh environments, complex terrain, and high demands of the logging industry. They represent the pinnacle of creativity and mechanical power, helping humans master nature more effectively and safely. Mining machines are often designed to operate effectively in deep forests. They have durable chassis, large load capacity, and special crawler or tire systems to adapt to difficult terrain, such as mud, rock fall, steep hills, or tangled tree roots. Flexible steering system helps the machines move easily through narrow gaps between large tree trunks while minimizing impact on the natural environment. Some vehicle models also integrate GPS navigation systems and sensors to ensure high accuracy in operation. Some modern machines not only cut trees, but also integrate transport functions immediately after cutting is completed. These machines are often called harvester and forwarder. Harvester. These are specialized tree cutting machines with powerful robotic arms that can hug a large tree trunk and cut it in seconds. This arm-integrated sawing system often uses large chainsaw blades made from super durable alloys, capable of cutting through tree trunks over 1 meter in diameter in just a few strokes. In addition, they also have the ability to pluck branches and cut wood trunks into smaller pieces for convenient transportation. Forwarder. After the harvester completes the cutting, the forwarder will take on the task of transporting the logs out of the forest. The forwarder is equipped with large hydraulic clamps, helping to quickly lift and arrange wood onto the truck. With track systems and powerful engines, these machines can traverse rough terrain, climb hills, or wade through shallow waters. powerful drive system combined with a special wheel or crawler design allows them to move through steep terrain, mud, or even deep snow. In addition, the machine's suspension system is optimized to reduce vibration when climbing over uneven terrain, ensuring stability and safety for the operator. Some machines also incorporate a self-balancing system, helping them stay steady when working on inclined terrain. Huge capacity to lift and transport wood. Wood forklifts are capable of lifting tree trunks, weighing up to tens of tons. This is achieved thanks to the super strong hydraulic systems, combined with long and flexible crane arms. The clamps are designed to firmly grip wood stems without damaging the quality of the wood. When transported, large logs are often stacked on trailers pulled behind them. To ensure safety and efficiency, these machines use safety locks and sturdy lanyards. And air conditioning, creating operator comfort even when working in harsh weather conditions. These machines are designed to operate continuously for many hours, even in the harshest conditions. They use premium anti-wear and anti-corrosion materials, which prolong life and reduce maintenance costs. The cooling system is optimized to ensure the engine does not overheat when operating for long periods of time in hot, humid, or cold environments. Importance to the logging industry. These machines not only help increase mining productivity, but also reduce the work burden on humans. They help minimize the dangers of working in the jungle, where accidents such as falling trees, slippery terrain, and bad weather are always lurking. In addition, the use of modern machinery also helps minimize the impact on the environment, thanks to its ability to operate more accurately and efficiently than manual methods. The wooden forklifts and cutters that transport wood in the forest are a testament to the advancement of technology in the forestry industry. They not only demonstrate superior mechanical strength, but also bring efficiency, safety, and sustainability to the logging process. Looking at these giant machines operating in the deep forest, one cannot help but admire the sophistication and power they bring, as if they were born to master the challenge.